Hey, I'm Justin. This is Make, Build, Modify. If you've ever used an abrasive disc cutoff saw like this, you know that the fence, the miter gauge, is very difficult to set. I've got a trick to make it easy and accurate. Let's do it. This is a typical fence for an abrasive disc cutoff saw. You see them on the carbide tooth cutoff saws sometimes also. There's a pivot bolt and a set bolt and a miter gauge, and there's usually a line of some sort that you set your miter gauge to. And they're rough. It's not the greatest accuracy. What I like to do is go over to my wood cutting chop saw and cut a block of wood with the appropriate angle and bring it back over here and push the block against the blade and set the fence that way. So let's go to the chop saw and I'll cut that block. This is a scrap piece of medite, about 4 3/4, really doesn't matter too much. I'm going to set my chop saw at 22.5, just saying that's the desired measurement I'd like, and I'm going to do a quick cut. The trick here is to have this fence very loose to start with, and then you want to bring your blade down and slide this block over to the blade with minimum pressure. You don't want to deflect the blade while you're doing this. And you also want it to close up between the fence and the blade as tightly as possible in both respects. Once you have that, you want to tighten your gauge bolt first and then your pivot bolt next. That gives you the best chance of not disturbing the setting. And that's all there is to it. So I hope that helped, and I'll see you on the next one. The tools and materials I used in this video will be listed in the description. And if you think I earned it, please subscribe.